Hi there guys, how are you? Now, if you are preparing for UGC NET English, then what should be the correct strategy? In particular, if you are preparing for English for the next session of UGC NET. So first thing that you should do is consult previous year's questions, ठीक है, solve them again and also revise them. Second, syllabus. यहाँ पे syllabus से मतलब है detailed syllabus, not just the syllabus provided by UGC, ठीक है, उसका तो बहुत ही brief में दिया हुआ है. उसके बाद quizzes and mock tests. Now keep in mind that quizzes and mock tests are very obvious, but it depends upon what quality of questions you are doing. ठीक है, because I'll show you the questions of last year, let's say last session. ठीक है, last session, not just last year but last session का मैं दिखाऊंगा आपको. And finally revision. Now revision has to be done multiple times so that everything gets ingrained in your mind. ठीक है, let's discuss this in slightly more detail with some examples. And one more announcement, if you are aiming for some online affordable option for preparation, then I'm happy to announce that we have upgraded our online platform, our website. Now everything is accessible online. Now our old website looks like this. If you go on literaturemantra.com, but our new website looks like this. Now this is our new website. यहाँ पे full syllabus है, mock tests हैं, PDF notes हैं, and also the demo material. And if you scroll down, you'll find the entire demo material. You can go through it. और अगर आप UGC NET की detailed syllabus देखना चाहते हो, just go here, click here, and the entire syllabus is available here. Now at present this course is 7,190, but we have a early bird offer. If you enroll by 30th of June, then you get this course for just 3,590. But keep in mind that this discount is only valid till 30th of June. Validity is 1 year. 1 साल तक validity है. Get the entire UGC NET course for this small amount. And for any inquiries, just call or WhatsApp us on this number 7678160296. ठीक है? Now coming back to our discussion. Previous year's questions. पहले तो आप कुछ questions देखो. This question came in last session. ठीक है, the term abstract poetry and then you have to choose between different options. ठीक है, ये multi statement question है. So your knowledge of abstract poetry had to be good so that you can pick the correct options. उसके बाद देखो ये एक और question है. This is on cyber feminism. Now we all have read about feminism, but have you also read about cyber feminism and read well, not just read about it but read well about it, because यहाँ पे multi statement question है जो कि आपको आंसर करना है. So it's not just about कि हाँ cyber feminism has something to do with internet or cyber space, वो सबको पता है, but have you read something more? उसके बाद देखो एक और question है, feminist literary theory and cultural theory draws a link between what? एक और multi statement question है. ठीक है, so they are trying to draw links between cultural theory and feminist theory. ठीक है, so can you do that? This is also an important question. उसके बाद देखो a very important quotation they have given. So are you also in the habit of reading quotations or not? ठीक है, अब ये सारे के सारे टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं, इन सब सारे इश्यूज पे आ रहे हैं. That is why going through previous year's questions is absolutely important. Then when we come to syllabus, syllabus से मतलब है कि detailed syllabus. ठीक है, detailed syllabus. Have you consulted a well prepared detailed syllabus? ठीक है, now this is the syllabus of UGC NET जो कि available है इंटरनेट पे. But this is specified in a very very broad way. ठीक है, ड्रामा, पोएट्री, फिक्शन, शॉर्ट स्टोरी, नॉन फिक्शनल प्रोज एंड सो ऑन. तो ये तो सबको पता है, because everything, you know, many things can come under this. But you must have a basic detailed syllabus. Now a detailed syllabus that takes into account the basics of literature. ठीक है, for instance this one, the basics of literature, then also takes into account the trends of previous years. ठीक है, now you can argue that detailed syllabus तो कोई perfect नहीं हो सकती. वो बात सही है, detailed syllabus कभी perfect नहीं हो सकता. That is why we also add some multiple choice questions from previous years. ठीक है, वो भी तो consult करना है ना आपको, लेकिन एक solid knowledge base आपको होना बहुत जरूरी है. Now after the detailed syllabus comes quizzes and mock tests. Now keep in mind that you should do and redo and also revise your mock tests. For example, have a look at this mock test. ठीक है, यहाँ पे question है, it starts with the Russian writer Dostoevsky's Crime and Punishment. ठीक है, then we have Bakhtin's idea of carnivalesque. ठीक है, so whether you know it, it's good. If you don't know it, then read about it. ठीक है, and similarly this is a kind of mock test that you should do. ठीक है, मल्टी स्टेटमेंट भी है and it takes into account many important aspects. ठीक है, फॉर इंस्टेंस मान लो एक गलत कर दिया यहाँ पे, सो सही ऑप्शन भी आना चाहिए, पता होना चाहिए आपको. ठीक है, देन देयर शुड बी द ऑप्शन ऑफ डूइंग इट अगेन एंड अगेन. ठीक है, एंड फाइनली वी कम टू रिविजन. ठीक है, द मोर नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स यू रिवाइज द बेटर योर अप्रोच विल बी. सो होप दिस वीडियो वाज हेल्पफुल एंड आई होप यू लर्नड समथिंग अबाउट UGC NET इंग्लिश. ठीक है, किस तरीके से आपको एक सही तरीका अपनाना चाहिए. विद दिस आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट.